In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a status update in Goals in Asana. This feature is a fantastic way to keep your team in the loop about your progress on various goals. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First off, go ahead and open the Asana application on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific goal you wish to update. This could be a project you're currently working on or a long-term objective you've set for your team. Now that you're on the right goal, take a moment to locate the button labeled Set Status or Update Status on the Goal Details page. This is usually positioned prominently, making it easy to find. So click on that button and it'll bring you to the interface where you can craft your new progress update. Next, you'll want to enter a concise status name. Think along the lines of terms like on track, at risk, or completed. This helps to quickly label where your project stands right now. It's important to keep this brief yet descriptive, as it helps your team immediately grasp the situation. After you've labeled the status, you'll want to provide some background details in the description section. This is your chance to elaborate a little. Share any recent accomplishments your team has achieved or any current challenges you may be facing. Giving context is key. It helps everyone understand the why behind your current status. Now, let's move on to the next important part. Outline the next steps necessary to continue moving towards your finalized goal. This could include tasks that need to be completed, resources that might be required, or even key discussions that need to happen. This is vital for ensuring everyone is aligned and knows what to expect next. After you've included all that information, it's time to write a clear summary. This part is like giving your team a quick snapshot of the overall status of the goal. A well-crafted summary will give them the essential points without diving too deep into the details, making it easier for everyone to stay informed. Before you hit that post button, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Ensure that it adequately reflects the current goal status. It's really important that everything you've shared is accurate and up to date, as this helps build trust within your team. Once you're satisfied with your update, go ahead and click the Post button in the top right corner to publish your update for the team. And just like that, you've shared where things stand regarding your goal with your team. Now that you've completed your first status update, take a second to check your result and make sure everything looks good. You're now ready to keep your team updated effectively in Asana. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this process a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on using Asana and other tools to enhance your productivity.